after watching PewDiePie's video, one of his Minecraft videos, I figured why not try to make a baby lime sheep in Minecraft. Now in order to even do this, you need Spaun Sheep, whatever coloured dye, and then wheat. So let me just go outside. If it'll let me. Don't want to let the animals in. Now let's get somewhere far away. I've already tried this, and there's a baby sheep that I made. So I better get somewhere away from cows and sheep and any animals that follow around when someone holds wheat. Spaun sheep, spawn sheep. That was on accident. Well, let's try that again. This time, I don't know. Here, boom, boom, die. Come here, so I can feed you. Okay, yes, stay there. Feed, feed, and they made. Hey! Now, obviously, this works with every color that you can dye. Here, if I search, or if I get something like, I don't know, let's try getting something, for example, ink sac. Okay. Boom. Okay, now let's get someone somewhere further away. The hell is that? Oh, it's a villager! Well, what am I waiting for? Spaun sheep. That was completely on accident. Spaun sheep. Spaun sheep. Ink sac. You are now 2 black sheeps. Feed, feed, and 1 black sheep. Ba ba black sheep. Ba ba. Now let's try that with another dye. Let's try red dye. So we get a red sheep. Even further away from my house. Boom, boom, dye. Red sheep, red sheep. Red team, red sheep. Okay, and now they'll make a beautiful red baby. Wait, where's their baby? Oh, there it is. See, basically, if you spawn sheep, and then if you dye them, and then give them wheat to make a baby, basically you can have any coloured baby and any coloured sheep you want. So that means if you have a farm with a bunch of sheep, then you can have different coloured sheeps or sheep. Okay, thanks for watching this short video. If you guys enjoyed, then make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel with the notification bell. And if this video reaches like 20 likes, then actually I don't really know, just 20 likes, because my channel is not that popular. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.